Welcome to the Nordic Campers YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going into a safari, and after that we're going to be exploring this ancient vessel. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Good morning, it's day number 2 in Åland, and I think today we're gonna go to a safari or fishing, not quite sure yet, but first let's make some breakfast. Bacon and eggs. Swipe up.
Let me know and I will try to get äldsta våra hindar. One of our oldest female. Come. Have a big field up here when they are eating some grass. They have a forest, they have lakes and so on, so they're just going here and eating grass, barks, leaves, whatever they can find. Yeah. So if you have a full grown, I would say it could be over 1 meter long antler. And the spikes is also normally this, you have more and more spikes the older they will get. Yes?
That was cool, Masa, wasn't it?
Vad sa du? Här har vi de här två pojkarna, de är ganska nya i det här. De är 1 år gamla. Yeah, he's talking a lot, loves to be hugged. You can get him. Vi ska prata om det.
Villiseka.
They're just 15 centimeters long, so they are very quite small actually. They have the stripes on it, and up to 6 or 9 months somewhere the stripes is just going away and they're more brown, and then they will be like the gray one like him.
Näin se syödään, näin villiseka syö Masan. Näin se syö sut.
Strutsen är ju faktiskt världens dagens. If you look at the feeds where they come through here, you probably can know where they come from the beginning. Vi tittar på deras fötter när de... They're just 2 toes, one with a big claw on it, and actually it's like a dinosaur. Precis som vi var inne på, de här stammar ju från dinosaurierna och det är precis likadana.
Nej, de har ofta
Oi. Oho, sanoit sille kauhean
Mopsarna har inga tänder. You see here, slowly the grass is going down. Annars måste vi spara lite. You look at the knees, you have the knees on the back side of the leg. And that means that they can run very, very fast. They can run up to 70 kilometers per hour. They also use the... Ostrich egg is 1.5 kilos. It could be about 30 or even more normal eggs in it.
Onko melkoisia?
Thank you. So the safari was pretty fun, and now we're just checking out all the other places here. There seems to be a museum there. There's a little ship here. Let's check the village out. It's pretty small. So this is what I'm going to try to catch tomorrow, a Scandinavian cod. Fishing here. So that museum showed us a little bit about Åland's history, and there was a lot of information about different animals there. So now we're walking around, apparently it's like a small little fishing village. Or at least that's what it used to be. Next we're gonna go check out this really old boat that's kind of like a museum at the same time. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Yeah, these old boats are really big. The newer ones are even bigger. But it's quite impressive though. The carpenter's hut, chef's hut, the captain's lodge. playing Sea of Thieves. Okay, this is like a small quarters. Boatswain, sailmaker and carpenter, as well as the donkey man. Oil storage room.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew up her bow, dipped down, or below my bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harpooned and fought her when she dived down low.
I can't remember seeing any elevators in Pirates of the Caribbean.
Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack, then tight once more. The boats were lost, there were only 4, but still that whale did go. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far as I've heard, the fight's still on. The line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The wellerman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew and all. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Today we've been into a few different museums. We've seen all kinds of fishing boats, fishing techniques, and different fishing equipment. But now, before we go to sleep, we're gonna put it to the test, Masa. Everything that you learned today. Yes. That's a big caterpillar.